Hi everyone, how are you all? Nexar here. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare a traditional Argentine mate that looks like this. A mate is a drink that is much more than just a tea. In Argentina, mate represents connection, friendship, and time shared with other people like brothers, family, friends, whatever. And it's a daily tradition for millions of people in Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay. Could be other places, but it's more traditional in Argentina and Uruguay. First of all, I'm not Argentinian, I'm Ecuadorian, so it's kind of weird, but here at MacU I have two very close friends. I'm with them all the time, of my time, and I like the tradition, I like the mate, because it's a very good idea with them to share time, to spend time together. So I like that. Let's start with what you'll need to prepare a traditional mate. First, the mate gourd, like, is a small cup of wood, could be metal, glass. This cup of here. Second, the bombilla. It's like a metal straw with a filter at the bottom. Third, the yerba mate is in there, you can see. The yerba mate is a dried green leaf used for the drink. Like, it's just a tea with the leaf, with the dried leaf in there. And finally, the hot water. That the perfect temperature for the water is like 80 degrees Celsius or 175 degrees Fahrenheit here in the USA. Now let's prepare it step by step. First, fill your mate gourd about 2 or 3 full with yerba mate. Now it's already prepared, but you have to put in there like 2 or 3 part of your mate gourd, and then you can cover the top with your hands and shake it. Like, be careful with that, but this helps mix the small and large leaf so the straw doesn't get clogged later. Then fill the gourd slightly so the yerba leans to on one side, like forming a small hill. On the lower side, pour a little warm water, moisten the yerba, let it sit for a few seconds. This step helps release the flavor and makes the first sip more smoother. Now it's time to place the bombilla, like the straw of metal. You have to insert it carefully, because you don't have to mix it like too much, because it's wet in there. You have to be carefully with that. Once the straw is in place, slowly pour the hot water near the bombilla, like this. Not all over the yerba, only pour enough to fill the bottom part of the gourd. Now take a sip. The first one is usually a bit strong, but that's normal, because you have to do it like 3, 4, 5 times, and then it's more sweet. After that, you just keep adding hot water and passing the mate around if you are sharing. So that's the tradition. Is very common over there, and I really like it.